Wherever you've studied before, at school, college, or further education, studying at a university is a very different experience in many ways. We'd like to explain what some of the differences are and talk about what will be handy for you to understand before you start. Let's begin with the fact you're about to become a member of a university. Being at university means being part of an academic community. Suddenly you'll be surrounded by people with a real passion for your chosen subject. You'll be taught by people who are experts in their field and study alongside like-minded students. You'll also be encouraged to have your own opinions and to learn and think for yourself, rather than expecting someone to tell you everything you want to know. That sounds scary at first, but many students think this is the best thing about studying at university. Let's pick up on what it means to think and learn for yourself. At university, you'll start to take responsibility for your own learning, for managing your own time, and for making the best of the opportunities available at York. Before, you might have spent days in the classroom being taught everything you needed to write assignments or pass exams. That's not how it works at university. Here, the lecturers will give you a sort of taster or overview of the topic and the areas you need to explore. The rest is up to you to research and find for yourself. It's called being an independent learner. With independent learning comes different ways of working. At university, full-time study means you study full-time. That's around 40 hours a week. Your study time will be split between taught time and self-study time. You'll attend lectures, seminars, and tutorials. Some of you will also attend rehearsals, laboratory work, or field trips. Self-study is your time spent in the library, computer rooms, and study spaces, giving you the freedom to learn in ways that suit you best. Our students love the flexibility to choose how, where, and when they study, and the space to research, consider, and present back their own work for assessment. Which leads us nicely onto assessment and exams. The way you're assessed may be quite different to the ways you've been marked or graded before. At the beginning, the marking system might seem tougher, and how you'll submit your work may vary too. For example, long essays or practicals. You'll need to be prepared for the jump between A-levels and university grading, as it's a big step up. But don't worry or get stressed if your first piece of work comes back at a different grade to those you're used to getting. That's normal. It's all about progression. The study journey throughout your degree program means you should see yourself steadily improve, and your grades get better over time. Now a quick word from our sponsors about study behaviours. At university, there are strict rules and regulations about good study behaviours. It's what we call academic integrity. These ensure it's clear whose work and thoughts you are presenting. It's rules like don't cheat, don't copy, and don't collaborate in the wrong ways, and good academic behaviours like referencing your work properly by saying where you got your information from. Don't worry, we'll tell you more about this when you get here, and there's an academic integrity tutorial you have to complete in your first term to help you understand what you should and shouldn't do. That wraps it up.